fried green tomatoes with smoked pimento cheese dip. It's my favorite growing up. Takes me right back to childhood, baby. So growing up in Texas, one of my favorite things my grandma made was fried green tomatoes. I would like to share that with you today. So I took some of our tomatoes that were growing in our garden. They are green tomatoes. So the key to this is making sure you pick the tomatoes before they even begin to start to turn. So you don't want the blush ones. You certainly don't want the full red ones. The green ones are going to hold up better for texture and flavor. So what we're gonna do with these guys is, I'm just gonna cut the top part here off. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so good. So we're gonna do like 1/4 inch thick slices. You don't wanna do them too thick and you don't wanna do them too thin. Lay those out here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we've got them laid out here. I'm gonna take some of our ground sea salt. I'm gonna put some salt over them. This is gonna help draw out any moisture so our tomatoes don't end up mushy. All right, so now I'm gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes and we'll be back. All right guys, so our tomatoes have been sitting with a little bit of salt on the top, just kind of getting some of that extra liquid out for about 10 minutes. I've set up 3 different dredge stations. So up here, I've got a cup of flour. In that cup of flour, I'm gonna add some dry ingredients. So I have 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of parsley. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes just to kind of kick it up a notch. You don't have to do that. And then one of our favorite go-tos is our Smokin' Magic rib rub. So I'm gonna put that in there. That's gonna add just a little bit of extra pepper. Got some paprika for some good flavoring as well. Mix that all together. So my next pan over here that I have, we have our cup of cornmeal here. I use the yellow cornmeal. I don't know honestly what the difference between white and yellow is. All I know is my grandma always used yellow, so that's what I'm gonna use. So it's just the yellow cornmeal. And over here for our liquid dredge, what I've got is 2 eggs whisked together with a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. We have our fryer set at 350 degrees, okay? So we're gonna take our tomato, we're gonna turn it in our flour first. I'm gonna make sure to get a good even coat here. Then I'm gonna go over into our egg mixture and buttermilk mixture. And then I'm gonna go over into our cornmeal mixture, making sure to get it all nice and coated. I'm gonna set our basket up here, place that there. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of them. So flour, then our egg and buttermilk, then I'm gonna do our cornmeal, place them in our basket. All right guys, so today we're gonna make a smoked pimento cheese dip. Pimento cheese was something I grew up on and I love it. So it's super simple. We're gonna take 1 block of cream cheese, full fat stuff, none of that half fat stuff. It doesn't set up the same. A cup, well, okay, let's be honest, it's me. So it was a little more than a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Shred your own. This will melt better. When you buy the pre-shredded, it doesn't tend to melt as well. Then we're gonna take a little over a cup of shredded jalapeno pepper jack cheese here. Now we're gonna take some dry seasoning. So what I have in here is a teaspoon of salt. I have 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of parsley. So I'm gonna sprinkle that in there. Forgot about this one. I added just a smidge of cayenne. That's optional. We like ours a little spicy. And also to spice it up a notch, I'm gonna add just a couple of shakes of some red pepper flakes. Totally optional. You don't like spice, leave those things out, no big deal. Then we're gonna get into, we have 2 jars of the diced little pimentos. I've drained these. I patted these dry on a paper towel. That'll get all the liquid stuff out of it. I'm gonna dump those in here. And these are the 4-ounce, the 4-ounce cans, so 2 4-ounce cans of the diced pimentos. And then you're gonna do 1 jar or 12 ounces of the roasted red peppers. Once again, you're gonna drain these. These are whole pieces. You're gonna take these and dice these up yourselves. Put those in there. Oh, look at that. Then we have 1 cup of mayo. Now, we're just gonna mix it all together. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It smells so good. Now remember, this is a dip, so this is going to be a little bit more wet, if you will, than if you were just making regular homemade pimento cheese. So now we've got our pimento cheese dip all mixed together here. I'm gonna take my pan. I've sprayed it with some Pam to make sure that it doesn't stick. I'm gonna get that all in here. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Now, I'm gonna take this and smooth this out so that it bakes a little more evenly. We have the smoker running at about 300 degrees. We're gonna put it on there until it starts to get like a nice golden brown on the top, and then we'll be back. Right, so our smoked pimento cheese dip has been on the smoker now for about 50 to 55 minutes. It's gotten nice and brown on the top. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. We're gonna let it cool here, finish up our fried green tomatoes, because that's what we're gonna use to dip it with. Be back shortly. All right, fried green tomatoes with smoked pimento cheese dip. It's my favorite growing up, and I am so excited to share it with you. Let's get in there and get us some. Takes me right back to childhood, baby. Oh my gosh, my nanny would be proud. These are so good.